Hi guys, today we're going to work on this mini lotus flowers. These tiny ones are slightly over than 2 inches from petal to petal, you can see here. And in order to make this size flower, we use template and 2.5 inches size. These are absolutely easy to make flowers, and we need only 3 cutouts in the desired size. The paper which I recommend to use is designer paper or cardstock, whatever you want to use. In thickness, more than 100 GSM, but not more than 200 GSM. So we need this paper to be able to hold the shape we make. Here, this flower is made from 2.5 inches templates, and these templates are 3 inches size. I take 3 templates or 3 groups of petals and I curl them using my awl this way, every single petal. Be very careful with this curl. From one side you have to pull this really hard in order to make this absolutely decent curl. You see how I do this? We need the curl to be like this in order the flower keep shape. From another hand, you need to be pretty gentle because it's very easy to rip these petals right here at the bottom. So please balance this. Now our petals are ready and we need to glue them. We separate our layers and we glue them. It's better to use the hot glue gun with the finest tip, but I use my regular one. Just a little tiny bit of glue, and I glue overlapping, so the petal of top layer goes in between 2 petals of the previous layer. Same we do with one more, layer number 3. Same way, you see how I overlap them this way, and you close the petals of the inner layer and you slightly open petals of the outer layer this way. So we get absolutely cute flower. Alternatively, so you can leave it like this with a closed center like this, or you can add a center to this flower, and the center you can make in many different ways. Let's make one more flower, and I overlap again. You can see this. We still close, we still open the outer layer. So the thicker cardstock you use, here I use 140 GSM. For white flowers I use 135 GSM. So if you use something like 200 GSM thick cardstock or designer papers, you can be sure that your petals will hold the shape longer and more securely, so it won't flatten in a while. So what you can do, you can just use a tiny cutout circle and glue this circle right to the center of the flower. Pretty cute and absolutely easy and costs just nothing. Or you can use self-sticky semi-pearls or any other blinks like I did here. You can use the flower center like this, fat, like spider type center, I call them this way. We have them in our shop in sets of 5. So in one set you will be able to to find and use 5 different shapes of the centers. So look at this. If you glue this one, it's pretty cute. Or let's say this one, which is more fluffy. I'll try to add some white. So you can leave it like this, just fold this stamens up this way, or you can curl them again using the awl this way. If you don't want to deal with this tiny and pretty delicate stuff, you can use bunches. Get them from your art and craft shops. Here we go. Oopsie doopsie. No, that was not well centered. It's pretty important to center this nicely, because even despite the fact the flower is tiny, if you use the contrast color centers, they are pretty visible. So this way, absolutely cute guy here. So we have different centers available in different shapes. So there are 3 sets of 5, so you can get up to 15 different centers. Alternatively, you can use center like this. This one is made using punch from Sullivan's brand. It's easy, but this way they come just only in one size, and if you get templates for the centers, you can resize them up to any desired size. So this flower is 2.5 inches template. This flower is made from 3 inches size template. Small difference, but both are cute. You can make these flowers using our templates. You can find this mini lotus template using the direct link right under this video in the description. You can find this flower centers also in our shop in sets of 5 called flower centers sets. We would love to see your flowers, so please share them on Instagram or Facebook, and don't forget to tag us so I can repost your photos, tagging you and showing it to the wide audience of paper florists and your possible customers. Enjoy and show us your flowers. Bye bye.